So in the question we have, there are two vessels which are thermally isolated, vessel 1 and vessel 2, and there are gases filled inside these vessels at temperature T1, T2. The volume is V1, V2, and pressure for this vessel is P1 and for this it's P2. So let's consider these are the two vessels. They are connected and the valve is open now. For this vessel, temperature is T1, pressure is P1, volume is V1, and the number of moles is N1. For this vessel, the temperature T2, pressure P2, and volume is V2, and number of moles are N2. So when the valve is opened, so total number of moles will be N1 plus N2. This is equal to total number of moles when the system is at equilibrium. So according to the ideal gas equation, we know PV is equal to nRT. So for N1, the N1 is equal to P1 V1 by RT1, and N2 is equal to P2 V2 by RT2. And N, when the system is at equilibrium, that time we'll consider the pressure as P, volume as V, volume will be V1 plus V2 by R into T. This is the temperature at equilibrium. So using this, by replacing these values in this equation, we get P1 V1 by RT1 plus P2 V2 by RT2 is equal to P V1 plus V2 by RT. R will get cancelled. So we need to find temperature. Pressure also we don't know. So according to Boyle's law, we know P1 V1 plus P2 V2 is equal to P V1 plus V2. The same thing, if we conduct this experiment when the temperature is constant, that time P1 V1 plus P2 V2 will be equal to the pressure when the system is in equilibrium into V1 plus V2, volume of this plus volume of this. So from this we'll get pressure is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 by V1 plus V2. By replacing the value of pressure, we get, so P1 V1 by T1 plus P2 V2 by T2 is equal to, from this we get pressure, so we know pressure over here. Pressure is P1 V1 plus P2 V2 by V1 plus V2 into V1 plus V2 divided by T. We need to find this T, the temperature at which the system is in equilibrium. So T will be equal to, so P1 V1 T into T2 plus P2 V2 into T1 by T1 T2 is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 by T. We need to find T. So T is equal to T1 into T2 into P1 V1 plus P2 V2 by P1 V1 T2 plus P2 V2 T1. So this is the temperature in which the system is in equilibrium. So the option is three.